Welcome. I'm Shakti, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukottai. Now I am going to topic of fish cookery. Fish cookery is an introduction of with cookery, classification with menu examples, cuts of fish and shellfish, selection of fish and shellfish, cooking of fish, effect of heat. This is also we are going to the content. Fish and shellfish. What is fish? Fish are aquatic vertebrates with fins for swimming and gills for breathing. But seafood, a collective term of shellfish and other small eatable marine animals like crabs, oysters, etc. Classification of fish. There are two types of classification in this fish. First one, fine fish. Second one, shellfish. What is fine fish? Fine fish is white fish contains fat. Second one, shellfish. Mollusks, bivalves, crustacean. Qualities of good fish. How to judge by qualities in the fish? There are 4 points in this qualities of good fish. First one, fish should look and smell fresh. That is very important point. Fish should look and smell fresh. Second point, the scale should be intact, family, othering and shiny. Very important point. That is the shiny. Third point, the eyes should be full and plugging in but not sunken. Last one, the grills of the fish should be bright red. How to select shellfish? Particularly, how to select particularly fish of one of the shellfish? There are 5 points in this how to select shellfish. First one, the claws of crabs should be sprinkly and not hanging down. The eyes should be bright. The tail of lobsters should spring back when stretched out. That is very important point. The tails of lobsters should spring back when stretched out. Next one, shrimp and prawns must be crisp. Last one, oyster shell should be tightly closed. Very important point. Oysters shells should be tightly closed. Next one, cuts of fish. There are many types of cuts in these fishes, but some more important points I give that presentation. First one, darny, stick or slice of around fish cut on the bone. Second one, Tranacan stick or slice of flat fish cut on the bone. Papifiti, thin slice of a fish from one entire side of fish. Fillet, usually a boneless cut of fish from one entire of fish. This is cuts of fish examples pictures with name. Rani, stick, that type of cuts in this very important, and regularly size of cuts in the drani stick, fillet, then papiti, fillets, fingers is very important in the hotel industry because fish finger is very popular dishes in the hotel industry. Main courses of fish and shellfish deep fried. Fish in chips, a simple preparation made with fine textures pieces such as cod, and cheese balls which are radiationally dipped in a batter of flour, egg, salt, baking powder, and deep fried. Fish early. Fish fillet is marinated in lemon juice, oil, chopped parsley, and salt. Shallow fried. What are the cooking methods of fish? That is one shallow fried. Shallow fried. Shallow marinade. The fish is marinated, battered with flour, and shallow fried in hot butter, served with slices of lemon and sprinkled with lemon juice, hot brown butter, and chopped parsley at last moment. Belly Menuniri. Very similar to Menuniri but garnished with balanced tomatoes, sliced saute, mushrooms, and few garnish of caviar. Poached. Poached fish is one of the important cooking methods of fish because poached fish is very famous in USA and UK, so many countries mostly prepared the fish poached fish. Red snapper, Douglas fish is poached in white wine and fish fumet. The cooking liquids is strained and reduced to a sauce like consistency with sauteed chopped garlic, salt, vernic, fish poached in fumet and served with the balanced and peeled white grapes, and fish fillet is made with a poaching liquor. Baked salmon cauliflower salmon fillet arranged over a layer of cooked rice, chopped hard boiled eggs, and duxelles enclosed or covered with brioche dough, baked and served like a pie. Sole and nice so size marinated fillet of sole placed on bed of tomato cances and baked in hot oven, served with garnish of black olives, anchovy fillets, and slice of lemon. Thank you.